two ligands attach to two receptor proteins. These receptor proteins then come together and form a dimer. This is dimerization. The tyrosine kinases then turns ATP into ADP. The inactive relay proteins then attach to the phosphates. They are now active and sending a cellular message to the ER. The ER then releases calcium ions. A signaling protein attaches to the G protein receptor. The inactive G protein then bumps into the receptor and gains ATP and becomes an active G protein. The G protein then attaches to the inactive enzyme and makes it active. Cyclic AMP is then released and attaches to protein kinase. The protein kinase then tells the ER to release calcium ions. Normally, white blood cells attack bacteria. Once the white blood cells notice the invader, it engulfs it by a process of phagocytosis. The purpose of a neuron is to transmit neural signals from the brain to the rest of the body. In MS, white blood cells become confused. They are misdirected and cross the blood-brain barrier and begin attacking the myelin, which is the outer covering of the axon, which creates a smooth flow of nerve impulses. Eventually, the myelin will break down enough and slow the rate of nerve impulses movement down the axon. Some symptoms: fatigue, walking difficulties, numbness or tingling, spasticity, weakness, vision problems, dizziness, and bladder problems. Treatments: there's no cure, but medication such as Abagio will help lessen symptoms and slow the process of MS progressing.